Cloud Computing, Chapter 1. Introduction. Have you ever used Google Drive, Gmail, or Netflix? If yes, then you are already using cloud computing. Cloud computing means using computing resources over the internet instead of using your own computer or local server. These resources include storage, software, processing power, databases, and networking. In simple words, cloud computing allows users to store data and run applications on remote servers through the internet. Now let us understand how cloud computing works. A user sends a request using the internet. The request goes to a cloud server located in a data center. The cloud server processes the request and sends the result back to the user. Users do not need to know where the server is located or how it is maintained. This makes cloud computing easy and efficient. Let us understand the evolution of computing. First, there were mainframe computers, which were very large and expensive. Then came client-server computing, where multiple computers were connected to a central server. After that, personal computers became common and software was installed locally. Today, we use cloud computing, where data and applications are accessed online. Cloud computing is needed because traditional computing has many limitations. Traditional systems are costly and difficult to maintain. They have limited storage and scaling is difficult. Cloud computing solves these problems by providing low cost, high storage, and easy scalability. Now let us compare traditional computing and cloud computing. Traditional computing stores data on local machines. Cloud computing stores data online. Traditional systems require high maintenance. Cloud systems are maintained by service providers. Cloud computing has some important characteristics. It provides on-demand self-service. It allows broad network access. Resources are shared among multiple users. It supports rapid elasticity. Users pay only for what they use. Cloud computing has many advantages. It reduces cost. It provides data backup and recovery. It improves collaboration. However, cloud computing also has some challenges. It depends on internet connectivity. There are security and privacy concerns. Cloud computing is widely used in real life. Examples include Google Drive, Gmail, Netflix, and Zoom. Cloud computing is used in education, healthcare, banking, and e-commerce. In this chapter, we learned the basics of cloud computing. This chapter builds the foundation for advanced cloud concepts. In the next video, we will learn about cloud service models like IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. Subscribe to Silent Sparrow for clear and focused tech education.